Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a niche which is easy to start and easy to produce videos on. And I have tested this niche personally, and I used to get $17 to $49 per thousand views. That's the YouTube CPM I'm getting on this niche, and I'm going to show you guys the exact niche, and I'm going to show you guys how to exactly replicate this niche and start making money from YouTube. So before I dive in, let me show you guys some of our results we're getting from just doing YouTube channels. So you can see here, it's one of a recently started channel, and you can see the last 2 months we made almost $5,000. On May we made $4,800, and on June we made $5,800. So let me also show you guys how much it makes per day. So let me click on this. So you can see here, on our best days we made $500, and right now we're scaling back again to that point where we make $500 a day. Right now we make around $200 to $250 on average every single day from this YouTube channel. So this is one of our high CPM niche channels. So you can see the playback CPM here, we get $34 per thousand views. So this is before YouTube's part, like YouTube will take 45% of this as their commission, and we only getting paid like 55% of the revenue. And let me also show you guys some of my best performing videos on this YouTube channel. So you can see the numbers. The last 7 days this video made us $687. So let me change that to lifetime. So you can see here, in the last 1 month, we published this video on May 18th. So you can see here, in the last 1 month, it made us $2,300. We only spent like $30 to $35 to make videos like this, but in lifetime, they're making us more money. Like this channel makes us around, you can see here, per day, it makes us $80 to $100 every single day. On peak days, it made us like $200. So the niche I'm going to reveal on this video also produces the same amount of playback CPM, which is $13 to $49 per thousand views. So make sure you watch this video till the end to understand the entire process to replicate this on your own business. So let's dive in and let me show you guys the exact niche. Before I start, if you are someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button and the bell notifications, because I'll be publishing more videos on this topic. So let's dive in. So let me show you guys the exact niche. You can see the screen. It's meditation niche, guys, because meditation niche can easily pay you $20 to $49 per thousand views. So this channel makes a lot of money, guys. So let me show you guys how many videos they uploaded. So you can see the screen. They just uploaded like 131 videos to this YouTube channel, and right now the channel gets like 18,000 to almost 20,000 views every single day. You can see the screen, right? So let me show you guys the Social Blade stats. So you can see here, they make around $138 to $2,200. So Social Blades won't give you the exact number, but this is not the right number, because the CPM they calculate is around like $1 to $2, but I know that this channel gets like $20 CPM. With my experience, I really do know that this channel has a potential to make at least $7,000 to $10,000 every single month from this YouTube channel. So it's really easy to make these type of videos. I'll show you guys everything on how to do this and how to hire someone to do this. Don't worry, you can also make this type of videos. I'll show you guys on how you can easily make these type of videos if you don't want to hire someone and spend money on. So let's also look at how many videos they're publishing on their YouTube channel. So you can see the screen. They only publish like 2 videos every single month. So you can see they published 2 videos the last month and 4 videos 2 months ago. So they only published like 2 to 4 videos every single month. I have checked other channels. On average, channels on this niche only produce like 3 to 4 videos every single month. If you can produce like 6 to 10 videos every single month, then you have advantage on ranking on YouTube and also getting suggested views on this niche, because this is one of the highest paying niche, and you can also make like a good amount of money with less amount of views. So let me show you guys how they're making their videos. So let's click on this one. So let's go to this video. So what they does is they just read a sentence and they just give you time to feel that. So something like that, like they just read sentence in between and they just give you a free time to meditate and think about it. So this is guided meditation. There's a lot of search volume on this particular keyword. So let's look for guided meditations. So let's go. So you can see here, guided meditation has 950,000 search volume, guys, because the search volume is very high and the number of channels on this particular niche is very low. So that's the reason, guys. If you dive in and just start a channel on this niche and start making at least 3 to 4 videos or 4 to 10 videos every single month, then you have a lot of opportunity to get ranked and getting suggested by YouTube, because the number of channels on this niche is very less compared to the search volume. So you can see here, so this is not the only YouTube channel which does this. There's also one more channel which does this. You can see here, Michael. So this channel has 159 videos, and this channel getting like 160,000 views every single day organically. So this channel has a potential to make at least 20 to 30,000 dollars every single month from this YouTube channel, guys. Because of this high CPM niche, this guy is only producing like 1 to 2 videos every single month, like one video a month. You can see here, last month this guy only produced 2 videos. On third month this guy only produced like one video. Pretty much everything is on guided meditation. You can easily find someone to make these videos, guys, because it's only going to cost you like 10 to 15 dollars per video. I even hired someone to do my voiceover and only paying like 10 to 12 dollars per 10-minute video, guys. So you can also do the same thing. So let me show you guys a place where you can hire someone to do this, or else you can also do this by yourself. So let me show you guys a place where you can hire a voiceover actor, and I'm going to show you guys a place where you can hire someone for free. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I don't want you guys to miss on any steps. So let's go to fiverr.com. So Fiverr is one of the cheapest way you can hire someone to work for you. So just search for voiceover or else guided meditation. So you can see here, I just search for voiceover, and these are the voiceover actors I can hire. So they charge a lot. So you can see here, this guy only charged like 397, which is almost $5. So $10 and like $15. So let's go and search for guided meditation. So these are the people who does guided meditation. So you can see here, they just only charge like $10, guys. $10 and $5. This is $10, $15. So you can easily hire someone from this group, and you can start making your own videos. So let me also show you guys a seller who does this. So you can see here, this seller gives you permission to use their videos on YouTube. So you can see here, can I use your meditation on YouTube? Yes, you can. So this seller is giving you permission to upload your videos they're making to YouTube, and you can also monetize them with Google Ads. So let me show you guys the second place where you can hire someone for free. So it's Facebook groups, guys. I have done this multiple times, and this method really works. Just go ahead and search for voiceover artist or voiceover actor on Facebook, and just reach and join groups like this, guys. Because once you join, just post an image like this saying, I have a monetized YouTube channel, I need a partner 50% each. So when you post an image like this, you'll get a lot of comments saying, you can see this particular post got like 8 comments. Out of 8, you will easily find 2 to 3 good voiceover actors. You're just going to share your business with them, like you don't have to pay upfront on any money, so you don't have to invest anything. You can start with $0. But when you start making money, you need to share your money with this people. So what I do is I just post a post like this saying I can pay you like $10 per video, and I'll pay you like 10% on the revenue it makes. They most of the time they want the job, so they just accept it and they just makes videos. So once you get the audio file, then you need to start making your own videos. So let me show you guys a place where you can get videos for free and you can use them. So this channel makes like 9 million views every single month, and they make at least $30,000 to $40,000 every single month, guys. So you can see here, so they just have like 3-hour videos, 8-hour videos. So they just use stock footages or stock images. So let me show you guys one of their videos. So you can see here, they just have a forest video. So you can easily download these videos from stock footages, so you don't have to worry about any copyright strike or getting a commercial use, something like that. So you can see here, I just searched for nature on pexel.com and pixabay.com. So you can see here, I just selected video and I sorted by video. So if you want to use some videos like this, so you can see here, it's a bird video. You can easily download this and you can use it on your own YouTube channel. So you can also download like 10 to 20 different videos, and you can just put it together and use it as one video, or else you can just go ahead and click photos, and you can like download some photos like this and make some color changes to it, and you can easily stretch out this entire image from point A to point Z. Like you can only show this image, you don't have to change any videos. If you want to use images like this, it's really easy. Just go ahead and download it from Pexels and pixabay.com. there are a lot of websites, guys, you can see here. So once you've done that, you need to start doing SEO. So let me show you guys how to do this. So just go to one of their popular videos, and so let's say this is going to be the popular video. So what you need to do is you need to copy their entire tags, and you need to remove their channel name. You can see here Jason Stephens, that's their channel name. So you just remove that and add your channel name to it, and use the same exact tags on all your videos, guys. This is very important, because don't keep on changing your tags on all your videos. Just add your tags on default and leave it as it is, because you need to create a channel on guided meditation, and you need to use the same tags on all videos again and again, because it will show YouTube that this channel is totally targeted to guided meditation, and they'll start giving you some impression on this search terms, and you started getting views, because mostly videos like this will get a lot of views and a lot of average video duration, because you can see they having like 3-hour video, and mostly this video will get like 2.5 hours or more than 50% in average video duration, because YouTube will promote your video when you have more than 50% on average video duration. And before I end this video, I want to give you guys an opportunity to work with me. So I do one-on-one mentorship for YouTube. So if you guys are interested in making money on YouTube, then you can reach me on Facebook and send me a message, YT Mentorship. Then I'll reach you and I'll send you guys the details on how to join and how you can start this. So this is not a course, this is a personal training. We will be having Skype calls, and I will be showing you guys my YouTube channels, and you can easily replicate one of my YouTube channel, and you can easily start producing content, and you can make this amount of money. So if you guys are interested, reach me on Facebook, and see you guys in the next video.